So as I was putting the video together, I had an email from Adobe saying, do you want to try the new Photoshop beta version, which allows you to use AI. So for me, this image needs something in the midground. I think I was too disappointed in the sunset, but I'm just going to select the lasso tool here and then just going to select this area which has just got grass in it, and to me it needs a little bit extra, so I'm just going to carefully, I don't think you need to be that careful actually, but I'm just going to lasso around this blank area. Now I could have corrected it by getting lower down. Now that's now selected, and now look, I can now type in here what I want in this blank piece of ground. So I'm going to put in still water with mackerel sky, with a reflection of a mackerel sky at sunset. Generate. And just look what happens. Photoshop is now going to add that in, but look how clever it is. Look, look at that. Look, that just fits right in. There's 3 versions, and I've got what that is. It's like a whole bits of wood laid about. Wow, look at that. Oh, I don't like those bits of wood, but I could clone those out. But I mean, wow. Reflections there. I mean, it might just need a little bit of work on it, to be honest. I can generate, actually if I press it again, it will now generate some extra versions for me, will it? I think it will. Or different versions. I love the fact it's just behind, look, it's still just behind that piece of rock. I mean, it's clear. No, that's a very small. Whoa, look at that. That's perfect. And that goes behind the rock on the right. And actually that's lovely, isn't it? And that's back to the original ones, yeah. So, that wasn't it. Look at that one as well. Oh my word. This is just bonkers. And there we go.